Sunday, Mother's Day. I'm at work. Thunderstorm rolling in. Yeah, it's May 11th, 2014. Happy Mother's Day to everybody, and my biggest sister Donna, happy 50th birthday to you, and happy Mother's Day to you too. I'm going to scan to the left here in a minute and show you where my smoke shack is at work. Somebody's supposed to be out here smoking, but boy, there's rain coming down there. I'll do a full scan around. I know I'm zooming in and screwing up the pixels, but you see the Japanese flag, Indiana state flag, United States flag, and there's a British flag. My plant goes all the way back down there, a couple hundred feet. Cooled it down a little bit.